How can you work on vocabulary with your child? I have a great recommendation for you today. One of my favorite books, it is called Once Upon a Word, and it is a word origin dictionary. This is so much fun. I've actually used this book to make a few videos on this channel, and it is just, it's clever. I love it. So basically, you can go through and look up a word. This is a fun one, bamboozle. So you find the word, and then it tells you how to pronounce it, and then the part of speech. So this is a verb. And I'll just read the example so you can kind of understand what it's saying here. Have you ever played a prank on a friend or had a prank played on you? To bamboozle someone is to trick them. Etymologists aren't quite sure where it came from, but some suggest that it came from Scottish slang words like bombays or bumbays, meaning to perplex. Others think it came from the French word empabouiner, which means to make a baboon of someone or make them look silly and foolish. And then you have a sentence. The magician bamboozled the audience by making a card disappear. In truth, she slipped the card up her sleeve. So that's bamboozle. Let's look up another one. I love this one. Kerfuffle. Such a great word. It's a kerfuffle. And this word, ker, is a funny prefix in the English language, often used to make a word more exaggerated. You see it in words like kersplat or kerfuffle, which is based on the Scottish verb fuffle, meaning to throw into disorder. It was originally spelled kerfuffle, C-U-R-F-U-F-L-E, and was used to describe a very fancy, fluffy, lacy collar around a gentleman's neck. It caused a kerfuffle when the dog broke out of its kennel. So great. Okay, karaoke. That's the American pronunciation, karaoke. It's a noun. If you've ever been to a karaoke party, you know that you sing the lyrics of your favorite songs while the melody plays in the background. Karaoke is a combination of the Japanese words kara, meaning empty, and oke, meaning orchestra. How much fun is this book? Love, love, love it. And there is just a fun little section in the back. Like these are all words that are about foods. So you have ambrosia, bacon, bagel. It talks about the derivations of all of those. There is one for music, and you have a bunch of words for that. It is just such a fun little book. Oh, and in the front, I actually have this marked. You do have prefixes and suffixes. This is great for everyone. I learned something when I read this. Growing up, knowing a language, sometimes you ignore these little things. You kind of know them in your brain, but then when you see it written down, you're like, oh yeah, correct. That's what that means. So this book is great. It really helps kids figure out word meanings and make really good educated guesses based on the words, spelling, and prefixes and suffixes. So this one is a winner. Check it out. I'm going to link it in YouTube Shopping, and then I'll also put links below. And always remember, you can go to your library and get this as well for free. Check it out.